History has been made. It is official. The beginning of a new era of Samsung and Android dominance is official. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is not a footage of a PlayStation console. This is Snapdragon 8 Elite's GPU performance using the latest Unreal Engine Nanite. This is the heart of Galaxy S25 Ultra, aka the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. It's absolutely mental how Qualcomm has made the Snapdragon 8 Elite this much faster and better compared to the 8 Gen 3 from last year, or I would say this year. 44% faster CPU, 40% faster GPU, 45% faster NPU, and about 40% power efficient. It's built on Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, which are on par with proper PC level performance. Hence, they have changed the name from Gen series to now Elite. And we do see all that Elite performance because this is levels above what we have inside the iPhone 16 Pro Max. There's even a video of Snapdragon 8 Elite phone running the Assassin's Creed console level game. Like, the GPU on this thing is easily the most powerful we have on a phone, pretty much making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a console gaming beast. All Samsung and Qualcomm have to do right now is to collaborate with big game studios so they can take advantage of this incredible power, and that will happen. Apart from the gaming and CPU performance, we have some insane improvements with AI as well, to the point where it's safe to say that Galaxy AI's second generation can actually be mind-blowing. Thanks to Snapdragon 8 Elite, your AI assistant can directly access the camera on your phone, meaning you can point your camera at a receipt and ask anything in real time. The AI will provide you a solution right then and there, all within seconds. It's absolutely incredible. Now, we have seen the image erasing feature when it comes to photos, but now with Snapdragon 8 Elite, this can be done with videos as well on device. Snapdragon 8 Elite also offers a 35% faster AI ISP camera unit. This new ISP can handle a photo capture from up to 320 megapixel sensors. With this new camera ISP, we're going to see the absolute best performance with Samsung's 200 megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I've already heard that Samsung is specifically focusing on increasing the video performance significantly better compared to the S24 Ultra. Judging from this powerful ISP inside the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Samsung has all they need to make this dream come true. Now, in order to truly unlock the performance of Snapdragon 8 Elite, Samsung is working super hard on the One UI 7.0 for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to Ice in terms of overall smoothness and performance, Galaxy S25 Ultra will be levels above than that of Galaxy S24 Ultra, giving us perhaps the smoothest software performance from Samsung ever in history. Honestly, I can't wait to see this combination, One UI 7.1 plus Snapdragon 8 Elite. It is an incredible combo. Although there's no official confirmation, but it is very likely that we'll see Snapdragon 8 Elite across all Galaxy S25 models. Also in the news, Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut in 4 colors as revealed by Ice Universe. So we've got the black, green, blue, which is something that I'm looking forward to, and then titanium gray. Again, these are the official standard colors. As always, there's going to be some exclusive online colors as well to increase the portfolio even further. And lastly, as we're moving closer to the launch time, we're now seeing more and more physical S25 Ultra leak until we see the actual device in action. These are the screen protector for the S25 Ultra as well as the S25 Plus, pretty much confirming the design change. They really have made the edges rounded. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.